everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Hopefully you enjoyed those few seconds of Hyperlapse vid. I am now in 1080p, 60 frames per second, utilizing the rear cam, ultra wide mode. You can let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds as far as the audio quality. On my way to the hospital to pick up some medication. Man, being on the road to recovery after being sick for a couple weeks, it's a great feeling. It's a great feeling. I have a little bit of nausea right now, but man, it's doable. It's doable. Go check out the video that I just uploaded recently. You get to see the new look as far as my desk. I purchased some adhesive wallpaper over at Amazon. Looks like real wood. It really looks like real wood, but it's not. But it does give a fresh, new, minimalistic look to my YouTube desk area there, my mini YouTube studio. So please go check out that video, and I talk about why I haven't been around and the COVID-19 situation that's going on around the world. And also talk a little bit about the S20 Ultra. So yeah, please go check out that video. I appreciate all of you who jumped on and left feedback. Thank you so much for the kind words, the prayers. It's all going back to you, man. My thoughts and prayers are with all of you. It's a crazy time, but we're gonna get past this. So yeah, I'm on the way to the hospital, and I'll pick up some meds, get ready to go back to work this Monday. If you're watching this video after the fact, then well, I'm already back at work. Yeah, man, it's beautiful out there, really beautiful. I'm going to switch to the front-facing cam now to do that. All right, there I am, 1080p, 60 frames per second. And we're almost to the hospital. I did want to put some information right there for you to see, right in there somewhere. I have a screen protector on here. I can't remember the name of the company that I purchased over at Amazon. I purchased a few different type of screen protectors, but the one that really works, that's been on my S20 Ultra for the last couple weeks. You're gonna see that information. I'm telling you, man, this is the best screen protector. I did try a tempered glass screen protector. I left some information over at Twitter, that tempered glass screen protector, and I'll put that up as well right there. Do not buy. It sucks. It's not good. And I brought in some other liquid screen protectors, but I haven't tried those yet. But the one I have on here has been on here for 2 weeks, and it is just amazing. Now, the first time I put it comes, I think it's 3 in the package. The first one, it was a little off to the left, I think, and so when I put a case on, a few different cases that I was trying out, it lifted up in the corner, or the corner side. It was the corner side. So what I decided to do was leave the case on and then apply the screen protector. Went by all the instructions, and man, it's been perfect. I would suggest that you leave a case on, a minimal case, and that way you get the screen protector really nice and centered, and so you don't have any issues with it being a little too off to the right or to the left. And so yeah, that's what I would do, is just sort of follow the instructions, but use a case, a minimal case, and it will help you just center that screen protector. Man, it's been doing great. It's almost like I never ever took off the original to put on a different screen protector to begin with. It's like it looks right out of the box. So anyway, check out all the information. I'll have links down below in the description area. And thanks for watching this video. And check out that other video that I just put up. So I'm here at the hospital, and I'm gonna turn right in here so I can go get my meds. All right, till my next video, God bless, peace. I am out.